Sense of place vocabulary. Brazen. Acting or done in a very open and shocking way, without shame or embarrassment. He exhibited a brazen disregard for other people's feelings. Exile. A situation in which you are forced to leave your country or home and go to live in a foreign country. Many choose to live as exiles rather than face persecution. Pomp. The impressive decorations, music, clothing, etc. that are part of some formal events, the pomp of a royal ceremony. Tempest. A violent storm, often used figuratively. A tempest is brewing over the new tax laws. Feeney's Fanatics, created by Wendy Raos-Marconi.